What I'm showing you now is my Phantom wallet, and as you can see, using this simple method, I have managed to stack 6 figures, nearly $400,000. And this isn't using the usual methods of trading. This is by developing the coins and being in control of the liquidity, pulling when I want to. Follow this video for more. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Your capital is still at risk. I'm just here to explain how the process works. We're going to get on to the live portion of this video where I'm going to show you exactly how this method works. But before we get into that, there's just something else, a few more things that I wanted to discuss. We can take a look at some of these coins and it proves a few things about this method. So first of all, let's take a look at this one. So we can see here just from this chart that we've got this massive spike right here. So look at this insane growth that is coming from this coin. And soon enough, I think it's happening right now, this coin's value is going to collapse. Now, being a trader is really difficult, but let's take a look at the wallet of what is, I think, probably the developer. You can see some great numbers here, and the reason for that is because the money they're getting is consistent, even with these massive dips here. All right, it doesn't matter for the developer. It does matter for the trader, but for the developer, they've got a lot more security in the money that they can make from their coin. As long as at least one person has put money into that coin, then they can remove the liquidity and they can make the money, even if they have a big drop in the value. So this is the site that we're going to use. We're going to use createcoin.fun to create our coin. Now, one of the key things about this site is, as you can read up here, it says there, no coding is required. You can launch a token on Solana and you don't need to code a thing. It's just a few button presses and that's all you need. I'm not a computer whiz and I can do this anytime. Easy. So you can do it too, definitely. I mean, especially if you're a computer whiz, you can 100% do it more than I can. Now, before we get on to that, there's another thing I just wanted to quickly talk about, and that is the pump market. So most coins are going to be on the pump market, and the pump market's great, sure, in the sense that it's very popular, but the problem with that is it is full of bloatware, so it's really impossible for you to get your coin to any decent state. However, let's have a look at the dynamic BC range, which is on the Memecoins market. Now, all of these market caps are going to be way higher, especially those that burst through. Look, these are in the hundreds of thousands, and you can see there's a lot of activity here. These prices are moving up and down because there's more people available per coin, and that's the market that createcoin.fun uses. Now, typically when you create your coin, you need to first of all connect your wallet. So we click that button there and we connect the wallet there. All right, and that's easy enough. So that's connected, easy, done. So let's then move on to how we would use this site. You can create your coin name, you can give it a symbol or a token, doesn't really matter which name you give it, whatever, and then you'd need to go and market it, you need to get the hype going, you'd go on social media and say, buy my coin, and all this stuff. Now, that takes a lot of effort, that takes a lot of time, and to be honest, I've got neither to spare. So, like I said, there's not going to be any coding required. We just simply hit this tab here. This is the copy trending tab. Now, on this, it's going to show you all the coins that are hot at the moment on pump and ready to migrate over to Memecoins. So, looky here, you've got a bunch of market caps, you've got the names, and all of these, to be honest, are going to be good choices. Some are going to be better than others, but frankly, if the market caps are all looking pretty similar, you can just kind of pick one that either fits what mood you're in, or if it's a good meme, or one that you think, oh, that's quite a nice narrative, I might go for that one. So I mean, looking at a few here, market caps, they're not too bad. There was a 4K earlier. I might see if I can find that again. If not, I'll just pick any old one here. It doesn't really matter. So let's see, we've got the Carmelo Anthony coin. That's a bit risky. So yeah, let's see what we got. We got girl coin, monkeys. Do you know what, it's got a lower market cap, but I might just go for monkeys and we'll just see how well it does. So let's copy the coin, maybe just to prove that any choice is fine on this trending tab, because like I said, the hype's already there and you're just putting yourself in a good position from the get-go. So we click this here. It is taking a moment. There we go. Okay, cool. So this request blocked will come up. You need to proceed anyway. This is a perfectly normal part of this process. I do this every time. You just got to confirm. Despite saying unsafe, it's just a transaction that the wallet is not used to. So you click understand and then you click confirm again. So now we need to put some money down. This is where we create our liquidity pool. This is us putting our Solana into the coin. Okay, so now the only detail you need to change on this menu is the amount of Sol, and typically I'm putting around 0.2 into here. Usually that's what works for me. You can put 0.3, you can put a bit more in. It's really up to you, but 0.2 is a good starting point. So you click create pool, and then what that will do is then it will come up with a confirmed transaction. We simply confirm the transaction, and then our coin will be on the market. So once we wait for that to go through, there we are. Coin has been created and is on the market with a pool of Solana inside it. So what we have here is our initial estimated value. We got 1259. That's our estimated value. And there's our 0.2 Sol there that's inside the coin. That's the pooled Sol. Now we need to click this lightning bolt. This is the secret source and the weapon that is going to kick your coin into the stratosphere. So on Deck Screener, this option will boost your coin right to the top of the trending tab. So you pay 0.25 Sol, and I promise you, you will make that money back and then some, because all of the bots and all the trend chasers are going to see our coin before anyone else's. So we click that there and we're boosted to the top. Now we can just have a quick look on Deck Screener. Let me just go into full screen here. We'll go on to Deck Screener now and have a look at our coin, see how well it's doing. So as you can see, already we have got a bunch of buys and sells already. So this is, the real result of the boost. It is kicking our coin up to the top. So, a few of these might be automatic bot buys. A bunch of these are going to be trend chasers that are just following the stuff that comes up first on their feed because they know it's hyped, they know it's popular, and they know there's a better chance of squeezing out that little bit of money on their trade. But obviously we're going to make a lot more money than them because we're going to use them as our liquidity. So speaking of liquidity, let's see what we're at. We're at 1.6k already, right? That is immense. 2.5. We have literally just made this coin a minute ago, guys, and already it is popping off. Our market cap already at 3.5k, way higher than most of those coins on pump. We have over 300 traders now. Our volume at 33k. These numbers are insane, guys, and this happens every single time. It still surprises me, but it's, so consistent. Now, we are in a position where we want to remove our liquidity. So let's have a look at our value, what it was then and what it is now. $951. We've gone from $12 to $951. We have 15 Sol pulled up now compared to our 0.2 that we put in. So now we need to remove the liquidity. And the way we do that is we hit this minus button here. We click 100%. Let's get rid of all that liquidity and put it straight into our pockets. So we confirm that transaction in order to be paid, and it's as easy as that, guys. Now we're gonna have a look at how much money I made today, and if you like, subscribe, and leave a comment, you could win half of what I make today. Let's have a look at what that was. I started with roughly $100 and I've nearly got to 1,000. So that is the kind of results that you could be getting with just a little bit of money in your wallet. You can boost it and maximize it.